Hi everyone, welcome to Pi AI Borics.
Before starting the video, I quickly want to express my gratitude to all the subscribers and viewers who help us reach 2 million views on our YouTube channel, and also for 1000 plus subscribers. It's just the beginning for all of us. We will achieve many more milestones together. Thanks for spending your valuable time in watching our videos. It means a lot to us. Few years back, when the cameras were not very advanced and unable to capture the real world colors, the images grabbed by those cameras used to be black and white, or in technical terms, grayscale image. As technology evolved, we started capturing real colors from much more advanced cameras, and now we do it casually with high-end mobile phone cameras in the palm of our hands. In image processing, we have to work with not just color or RGB image, but also with other image types like grayscale image, binary image, and many more. So let's first understand what is RGB image. RGB image is a combination of three images, each representing different color stacked together in a specific order, with each pixel having intensity value ranging from 0 to 255 for 8-bit image and 0 to 65,536 for 16-bit image. In most of the cases, image captured by the cameras are in RGB format. Now the significant question is, how do we convert RGB image to other image types? RGB image can be converted to grayscale image with just one command called CVT color from OpenCV library. But let's try to understand what's actually cooking under the hood of this function. Simplest way of converting a color or RGB to gray color format is by taking mean of all color intensities. Each pixel of grayscale image will be an average of pixel intensity value of red, green and blue color. But this is not the correct way of doing it, because in real world every color have different wavelengths. As per visible light spectrum, highest wavelength is of red color, then green, and the lowest is of blue color. So we will assign weights inversely to these color pixel intensity value. That means assign lower weights to red color intensity, assign weights higher than red to the green. So the actual way of converting a RGB image to grayscale image is by taking weighted average of RGB pixel intensity values. The difference between the grayscale image computed with normal average and the weighted average is clearly visible in the images. The weighted means formulation generate much more realistic image. Now as we have understood about the grayscale image, we will look into binary image, which can be generated using grayscale image. Binary image, as its name suggests, composed of just two colors, black and white. The logic for conversion of grayscale image to binary image is based on the threshold level. If the pixel intensity value of grayscale image is higher than the threshold value, then assign a binary image with a white color value or the maximum intensity value, which is 255 for 8-bit image, else assign minimum value, that is 0 if the pixel intensity is lower than the threshold value. And by varying the threshold value, we can get different distribution of white and black pixels in the binary image. Threshold can also be computed automatically based on the grayscale pixel distribution, which we will discuss in our upcoming videos. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming videos.